Hi, welcome to Monster Transmissions. You're with Curt in Curt's Corner. We get a lot of technical questions on different items on transmissions. Today we're going to go over tail lengths specifically on the AODE 470W transmission. Now they offer two different tail lengths for the two-wheel drive application, and I'll show you exactly where to measure from because it's very critical to get the correct measurement when you order your product. They offer these different tail lengths depending on your application. Some Grand Marquis have a longer tail, some F-150s have a longer tail. So they didn't really have a standard. So we need to have you measure the tail length on your transmission on those applications. So what you need, obviously you need the tape measure to measure it. We usually get the measurements done in inches. There's two different tail lengths two-wheel drive, and they are either 10¼ or 11¼ inch. So there's 1 inch difference. If you get it incorrect and you order, of course, one that's too long, then you won't be able to put the drive shaft in. If you get one that's too short, now the drive shaft will fit, but you'll have a lot of sonic vibration because the U-joint will be too far back from the unit and cause a lot of vibration going down the road. So again, it's critical to get this measurement correct. So the first place you want to measure is you're actually going to go from the casting, and this is where the actual tail housing meets the case. So you want to measure from this casting of the case to the casting of the tail, not the red seal or whatever color the seal is, or all the way out to the boot or the actual output shaft. You want to measure the casting of the tail. So you're going to go from this point here, the aluminum casting, to the casting of the tail of the transmission. So this one here happens to be the shorter one. So we're going to go from the casting to the tail. It's about 10¼ inches here at the end of the tape. Now the longer unit is exactly 1 inch longer, and that unit is 11¼ inches. And you measure the exact same format. So there's 11¼ and there's 10¼ And obviously four-wheel drive, they'll have an adapter block before it gets to the transfer case, but that's a standard size. We do not need that measurement. But we do need an accurate measurement of this housing to ensure you get the right tail on the product the first time. If you have any questions about transmissions in general, or tail lengths or bolt patterns, please feel free to give us a call here at Monster, 1-800-708-0087. Talk to you then.